Hi everyone, it's Brendan here, and Bubbles. We got delivered today by Royal Mail a classic board game from 1968. So we are going to put it together and we're going to have a game of it. It takes some putting together. Them kids in 1968 must have been some clever kids. So, Ruby, what game are we putting together?
Mousetrap.
That's the one. Stay tuned and you'll see us playing. Hi guys, welcome to our building of the 1968 Mousetrap game. I bought this recently because I thought, wow, obviously it's before my time. I just thought, well, I'll have a go. It looks really interesting. See what the games people were playing back in 1960s. So here goes. We've got to take the parts and follow the instructions on the board game. It's easier than it looks. So this is the first part we're just going to put in here. It's quite tricky to get it into the board, and it just slides in. Needs to go a little bit further, I think, so it can just pop in that hole just there. That's it, just slide it in. That's it, it's fitted in nicely. Right, next we've got the wheel, which that fits just there. So yeah, so we fitted that in, and then there's the cog, which we just got to tilt just to fit in. Now we've got a signpost, which fits in like this. It's quite tricky to get the right way around when you're first doing it. This is my third attempt of doing it. That's why I've got a little bit quicker. We've got the shoe that's hanging down. Next we've got the steps that go on. Everything fits into the bottom of the board. We've got the bucket, which eventually we'll put the little ball bearing in. Next up we have, this is the drain pipe. This game is so much fun, but it's just a little bit tricky to get all the pieces going, working. How the kids played with this back in 1968, I do not know. Right, so we've got this other part that fits in. This fits in just underneath the drain pipe. Like I said, you just got to make sure all the holes, it goes in the holes on the board, and then we click them two together here. And that's it, just press it down. Next, this is I think it's a washing line. Next, we've got the stick that goes through the washing line. Everything's put together. We've got a little spring that goes on. Yeah. And then we've got a hand which is going to hold everything up. Fit in there. I'll turn the board around in a second. That's it, just get it fitted in. That's it, it's quite tricky this bit, because if you let it go then it just keeps popping out. There we go, and see there. So the hand where we've put it is there, there's the purple bit, and we've put the bathtub in as well. It's a seesaw or a diving board. So it goes through. You can see the little hole in the bathtub. Now we're fitting up our mousetrap. Yeah. So we've got a diver, which goes on there. This is part of our mousetrap. Now, see, that's what the diver is diving into. It's a big hot tub. Now the ball bearing goes in. So I say it's quite tricky. Next we have the mousetrap. Guys, here we go. Hit the bucket. We're going down the rickety stairs onto drain pipe to release the ball. Release the ball. The diver misses, but we've caught the mouse. Thanks for watching that. The next video coming up is me and Bubbles playing mousetrap.